Are you trying to access your CCTV, server, or PC from outside but it's not working? In this video, I'll show you how to do port forwarding in MikroTik router step by step, in the easiest way possible. No confusion, no theory overload, only practical and working configuration. What is port forwarding? Port forwarding allows internet traffic to reach a specific device inside your local network. For example, when someone accesses your public IP on port 8080, MikroTik forwards that traffic to your internal device, like a CCTV camera or server. Network setup example. Let's assume public IP is on Ether 1, CCTV IP is 192.168.1.100. CCTV port is 80. External port will be 8080. Port forwarding config, Winbox. Go to IP right pointing arrow firewall right pointing arrow NAT. Click Add, Chain, dst-nat, Protocol, TCP, DST, Port, 8080, In, Interface, WAN. Now go to the Action tab, Action, dst-nat. To address, 192.168.1.100. To port, 8080. Click OK. Firewall security rule. Now we must allow this traffic in the firewall filter rules. Go to IP right pointing arrow firewall right pointing arrow filter rules. Add rule, chain, forward, protocol, TCP, DST, port, 8080, DST, address, 192.168.1.100. Action, accept. Always allow only required ports to stay secure. Testing. Open a browser and type http://yourpublicip port 8080. If everything is correct, your CCTV or service will open successfully. Common mistakes. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you want port forwarding with dynamic IP or VPN method.